Hello, grade 5. Today, inshallah, we will take the review pages. We will start with page 784. It's revision exercises about multiplication and division of fractions, which we did in the previous lessons. So we will start with question 11 in page 784. Now here, let's remember together how we multiply fraction with whole number. Now to multiply fraction with whole number, we said before, we make the whole number as a fraction by adding a denominator 1. Then we multiply normally. 1 multiply 21. 1 multiply 21 is 21. And 3 multiply 1 is 3. Now 21 divided by 3 is 7. So the answer here is 7. This is a question 11. Question 12, we have a 26 multiply 1 over 2. Also, if we have whole number, we make it a fraction by adding it 1. And in multiplication of fractions, we multiply the numerators and the denominators. So here it will be 26 multiply 1 is 26 over 1 multiply 2 is 2. Now 26 divided by 2 is 13. So the answer is 13. Question 13, both are fractions. How we multiply fractions? We multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. 1 multiply 3 is 3. 5 multiply 8 is 40. Now 3 over 40, if you find the GCF between 3 and 40, it will be 1. Means 3 over 40 is already simplified, so we leave it. Question 14, we have also 1 over 2 multiply 7 over 8. We multiply normally 1 by 7, 7, over 2 by 8, 16, and it's also already simplified. So how we multiply fractions or a fraction with whole number, guys? If it's whole number, we make it over 1. If it's already fractions, we multiply the numerators and the denominators. Then we simplify the answer. Now, question 15, we have mixed number here, multiply with a fraction. And in multiplication with mixed numbers, we said we need to turn the mixed number to fraction. So this is equal, the first step, we turn the mixed number to fraction. How? By starting with 4, multiply by 3, 12, plus 1, 13. 13 over 4, over the same denominator. Multiply the other fraction here, it's already ready, so it will be 3 over 5. Stay the same. After I turn the mixed number to fractions, I have two fractions now. I multiply the numerators together and the denominator. 13 multiply 3 is 39. Over 4 multiply 5 is 20. Now, if up is more than down in the fractions, we always do long division. 39 divided by 20. It is 1, 20, subtract 19. So the answer is 1 and 19 over 20. 1 and 19 over 20. Now the 19 over 20 is already simplified. So this is the final answer. 1 and 19 over 20. Question 16, we have two mixed numbers. So we will turn the mixed numbers to fractions using the same way. To turn it to fraction, 8 multiply 1, 8, plus 1, 9 over 8. Multiply. 3 multiply 3, 9, plus 2, 11 over 3. This is equal. Now we multiply up, multiply down. 9 multiply 11, 99. Over 8 multiply 3, 24. Now up is more than down. What we will do, we make division. 99 divided by 24. Guess and check. 4. 4 by 24, 96. Subtract, it's 3. So what's the answer here? The answer is 4 and 3 over 24. 4 and 3 over 24. Now check 3 over 24, we can make simplest form by dividing up and down by 3. This will be 4 and up 1 over 8. So the answer here is 4 and 1 over 8. This is revision for how we multiply mixed number with mixed number, fraction with mixed number, or whole number with a fraction. Copy these questions, guys. Now, in question 17, we will revise the division, how we divide whole number by a fraction. We said the first step, we make the whole number a fraction by putting denominator 1. Now, how we have 4 steps. The first step is the first fraction stay the same. The division becomes multiply. And in the second fraction, we make reciprocal. So 1 over 6 will be 6 over 1. Now it turns from division to multiplication. So here we multiply normally. 2 multiply 6, 12 over 1 multiply 1, 1. And the 12 divided by 1 is 12. So the answer here is 12. How we check the division, guys? To check the division, we multiply the quotient by the divisor. The answer should be the dividend. So 12 multiplied by 1 over 6 equal. This is over 1 and do multiply. Up 12, down 6, and the 12 over 6 is 2, which is the same of the dividend. So our answer is correct here. Now let's do this one, question 18. Here we have whole number divided by a fraction. Here we have a fraction divided by whole number. We will do the same steps. The 5, make it a fraction as 5 over 1. Now 1 over 3 stay the same. The division multiply, and the second fraction we do reciprocal. It will be 1 over 5. This is equal to 1 up and down 15. So the answer is 1 over 15. Be careful, guys, that 1 over 15, it's not equal to 15. This is common mistake between the students. 15 over 1 is the 15. Here 1 divided by 15 stay 1 over 15. It's not 15. Okay? But here 15 divided by 1 is 15. Be careful. Now here how we check the answer, guys? We multiply the quotient by the divisor. The answer should be the dividend. Now 1 over 15, let's check. 1 over 15 multiply the divisor 5 over 1 equal. Up 5, down 15. As a first look, 5 over 15 is not 1 over 3, but you need to make simplest form by GCF. Dividing by the GCF, which is 5 up and down. This will be up 1 and down 3. So we have 1 over 3. The dividend 1 over 3 means my answer here is correct. That's all for today, guys. These are the exercises which we did in the lesson, and hope you understand it very well. Copy it very well, and tomorrow inshallah we will continue and do more revision exercises. So please, guys, prepare your questions or your ideas. An example you don't understand it or you didn't understand it before. So tomorrow we will discuss it inshallah. Thank you so much and have a good day.